Okay, there's a lot of videos about C3s and C3 Pluriels. This is the wife's, but none about how to change the starter motor. This is a 54 plate 1.4 petrol. There's a how-to on the C3 Owners Club where it tells you to remove fuel pump, fuel hoses, and lots of other things that you don't need to. Basically, all you need to do, disconnect your battery, the guides on that, you pull this out, sit it to the front, keeping it all connected, disconnect 8mm nut, take that off, sit it out of the way. This literally lifts off, stick it out of the way, take your battery out of the way. Use the battery box itself as stone for your bolts. Then you take off the air filter and housing, which is literally pulls out of this hose here and from the union over here, which is a flathead screwdriver. This one just pulls out. This little breather, push down, pull out from that little breather case. That's ready to go back on in a minute. From here, you need to disconnect these pair of pliers underneath, just give them a pull, and same a bit further down, right there, right in the middle of the screen where you can see. From there, you can clearly see the starter motor, which is, you can see the connections on top there. Take them off. Then you've got 3 bolts. One, if I move this cable out of the way, is literally just underneath that housing. I don't know if you can see it right there. And there's another one further down. There you've got, where is it? That one there at the top. That one down there at the bottom, both 13mm. And then underneath here, which, sorry I'm doing this on my phone, is the 3rd bolt, which goes the opposite direction. So you don't want to be trying to pull out the bracket right in that, and use that little gap. That is how you get it out. For the bottom bolt, it's easiest to straddle across the engine bay, reach in, left arm around that, right arm around that, and that'll sort it out. You don't need to take anything else off. Straightforward, literally takes 10-15 minutes at most. Hope that helps someone. Thank you for watching the video.